What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, another video. Today I'm going to do a Dutch pour, but it's going to be a little different. I normally mix my colors pretty thin, but I don't mix them with water mainly. So I've been watching a lot of Olga Soby's videos about her Dutch pour because I love the way those things come out. I've just never been able to duplicate the results. So we've got a whole bunch of cool colors. I have this phthalo emerald, right? I have a blue green. I have red violet, and then an old gold. This Prussian blue here, because I saw one of her videos with Prussian blue, and then the way it just mixed with the white, it was phenomenal. So I'm gonna try my hand at it today. All right. The only way I'm gonna get better at it is if I do it. So if I don't do it, I'm never gonna improve. All right, so what we're gonna do, putting white down. This paint has been sitting for days because of the bubbles. And I'm noticing now that it doesn't even matter. The bubbles never work themselves out of it. So we will see what we can do about the bubbles. Let me see if I can just at first kind of tilt this paint. Holy crumbiny, there's so many bubbles in this. Y'all, there's a lot of bubbles. Oh my goodness. So first we're gonna try to pop them. That's crazy. I shook this up probably over a week ago just to make sure they weren't drying out. But look at this madness, y'all. This is crazy. All right, well, here's to hoping that I can pop most of them at least. Okay, it looks like a lot of them are popping. So I'm making all of the mistakes so you don't have to. There's still tons of bubbles though. So we're gonna see how it works. So this is that Prussian blue. I got this little violet color here. I'm excited about this only because it's new and I've never really had great success doing a Dutch pour in the past. So that is exciting to me. All right, here's this kind of blue-green. Put a little bit of that over the gold. Oh my goodness, these colors are just fantastic. And who knows, we might get some really cool magic out of this. But there's no silicone in the colors, so that is also a first for me, because I typically do use silicone in almost everything. So, but seeing the success that these people are getting while they're doing it, it makes me want to try it, you know? Because some of the effects that they get without silicone at all is just beautiful. All right, let me put a little white. Just kind of a stripe of it. So I want to have a little bit of contrast in there. So that white's in there to help brighten everything up. And we got this. Let's see, what else? Do I want any more green? I don't think I do. I think I want a couple dots here and there of some Prussian blue. Because this color is just a beautiful color when it mixes with this white. We're just gonna blow it out. Hopefully I can keep my big nugget out of the way long enough. Oh, wow, look at that. It's already doing some really wicked stuff. Man, that's pretty right there. That is pretty. See if I can get rid of any of these. Yeah, see, there's still a little bit of bubbles in there. But this seems to be popping them, which is fantastic. That's beautiful. Some of these little cells are pretty cool. It is a very different look than silicone, for sure. But I don't dislike it. And I always see her doing a little like finger do. But and she kind of draws it. If you're watching this, Olga, I am sorry that this is so juvenile looking, but I'm having fun just playing in the paint. All right, let's see. A little bit here, huh? Just kind of draw it back in on itself, huh? Yeah, I like it though. I think it looks really cool. Very, very pretty. And it actually worked. As far as a Dutch pour is concerned, I just need to figure out how to not have those bubbles in the paint, because those bubbles were in there the whole time. And I shake it to like mix it, so I'm not sure how to counteract that. But let me bring you guys down and look at this. It actually ends up, it looks pretty cool. I mean, I like it. It's very different than I normally do, but I like it. So we got some really interesting little cells. And then you can see what I was talking about with all the little bubbles and left those little pinhole marks. I have no idea how to avoid that. But it's all a learning process, right? And I'm learning and having fun doing it. That's what matters.